Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to change your name on Discord using your Android device. Whether you're looking for a fresh start or just want to personalize your profile a bit more, it's super easy. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open the Discord app on your Android device. Make sure you're signed into your account. Next, look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to your user settings, where you can make changes to your profile. Once you're in your settings, find the option that says Edit Profile. Tap on that, and you'll be brought to a screen where you can update various aspects of your profile. Now, look for the section labeled Display Name. Here's where the magic happens. Simply tap on that area and type in your desired name. Choose something that reflects your personality or your online identity. After you've made your changes, don't forget to save them. To do this, tap the Save button located at the top right corner of the screen. And just like that, your Discord name is updated. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your name on Discord using your Android device. It's quick, simple, and can give your profile a whole new vibe. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.